Ladies, let me ask you a question. Which outfit would you pick for a party? First or second one? Neither? Exactly. Both of them quite missed the mark. Let's try again. 1, 2, or 3. Third one, of course. Swapping sequin skirt for pleated white pants instantly fixed this outfit. Why? Because texture is one of the secret weapons of party styling. But it doesn't just end here. To create a truly glamorous, classic, cohesive outfit, there are a few key styling tricks you want to know. And today in this video, I'm breaking down the most common styling mistakes, from style and silhouette to fit, texture, and even the tiniest yet crucial detail, like how to match your tights with your look. So stick with me till the end of this video because you don't want to miss that one. One of the most common pitfalls in styling, whether it's a party, casual outings, or formal event, is mixing too many rich textures in one outfit. Combining more than 2 standout textures like sequins, velvet, leather, and satin can overwhelm your outfit and make it look cluttered rather than classy. If you look at my first outfit, we've got a classic case of texture overload. A crystal embellished top, a sequin skirt, and a crystal embellished bag. Even though the colors match, the overall look feels anything but cohesive or elegant. It's more like a festival of textures than a polished party outfit. When it comes to party dressing, you've got to pick the star of your outfit. What is gonna be? The top or the bottom? For example, you can keep the embellished top but swap the sequin skirt for a pair of plain off-white tailored trousers. This instantly balances the look while keeping it chic and elevated. To add a touch of flair, go for metallic shoes that subtly tie the top and bottom together and accessorize with a metallic chain bag. Because all the pieces share the same tonal family and metallic texture, the outfit looks cohesive and intentionally styled. Now about jewelry. Since the outfit already has plenty of sparkle, I want to keep it minimal. A pair of beautiful gold hoop earrings with cubic zirconias, like these from Maje, today's video sponsor, which I'm going to tell you all about in a moment. They add just the right amount of shine without competing for attention. And my look is complete. If you want to keep the sequin skirt, the key is pairing it with something casual to tone it down, like a classic tailored shirt in matching brown color. This contrast softens the sequins and gives your outfit a fresh, modern vibe. Since we're working with a monochromatic look, I like to add a pop of color with shoes and a bold coral bag. To finish it off, I kept the same gold hoop earrings and elevated the shirt with layered necklaces. I'm wearing a matching zirconia copper coin pendant necklace, and to make it more modern and effortless, I have layered it with a stunning aura pendant necklace featuring malachite, both from Maje. And that's it! My look is ready. It's dressed up, modern, and effortlessly chic. Now tell me, which look do you prefer? Let me know in the comments below. And talking about party dressing, I know it's not always easy and sometimes can be challenging, especially when you try not only to look good, but feel comfortable and confident at the same time. And let's face it, it doesn't get any better, especially as we go through life, because naturally our bodies change. Sometimes it's a little fit issue, a bit of extra in the middle, or feeling like nothing sits quite right anymore. And that may be very frustrating. But did you know that with just a few smart styling techniques, you can feel incredible in what you wear no matter these changes? Take my new style quiz and get a customized style guide packed with the best practical tips to help you navigate through these changes. It is absolutely for free. The only thing you need to do is to go to the link under this video, take the quiz, and you will get the guide immediately directly to your mailbox. It's an in-depth illustrated guide packed with expert do's and don'ts and secret styling hacks to help you highlight what you love. This guide will make dressing simple, comfortable, and confidence boosting every day. Rediscover the style that works for you now. Take the quiz and step into the wardrobe that truly fits. Here's another festive outfit. Beautiful, but perhaps too festive, don't you think? A feather top, a satin skirt, and shiny accessories together can feel like trying too hard. And let me highlight another common mistake in party styling: dressing up head to toe without balance. To keep it classy and effortlessly chic, always tone down your statement items with understated ones. If you want to keep the top, and I get it, it's stunning, the key is contrast. Its feminine, chic, and self-sufficient character pairs beautifully with something more masculine, like these black wide-leg satin trousers. See how everything instantly comes together? And I didn't even need to change the shoes or bag. The pants just anchor the outfit, creating a chic, elegant, and sophisticated look. To finish, I added my must-have jewelry, the aura pendant and subtle, sophisticated touch, and coin pendant earrings. They're so versatile, elegant, and the perfect match for every look today. Now you're probably wondering, what about the skirt? And here's where my favorite effortless chic formula comes in, especially for the coolest season. A satin skirt paired with an oversized cozy sweater. I went for a total white look to keep it festive and added sparkly, dressy accessories, perfect for family Christmas dinner. For a pre-Christmas dinner somewhere at a restaurant with friends, I would simply swap the metallic shoes and bag for matching off-white ones, creating a more minimalist, understated vibe. And of course, no look is complete without stunning jewelry. I paired the aura necklace with a pearl necklace featuring a beautiful, subtle gold coin and finished with a matching pearl coin hoop earrings. I think together they just effortlessly elevated the whole outfit and added this perfect final touch. And I'm ready. Now, if you're someone who loves versatility and self-expression when it comes to personal style, particularly to jewelry, let me introduce you to my new go-to jewelry brand who is sponsoring today's video called Maje. Their collection is all about empowering women to embrace and create their own unique style. As you have seen already, you can easily layer their necklaces, switch pendants between earrings and chains, and mix and match to design jewelry that truly reflects you. And it's indeed such a big benefit because you can experiment and be creative as much as you want, and every single time your outfit and your style will look completely different depending on how you mix and match your jewelry and how you combine it with your outfits. All the gorgeous jewelry I'm wearing today in this video, including this beautiful necklace and the earrings, are from Maje. As usual, I'm leaving all the information about the styles I'm wearing, as well as a special promo code with a discount for any of your purchases in the info box. So please don't forget to check out their collection after watching this video. Finally, let's talk about eternal tights dilemma: sheer or opaque. The right choice depends on several factors, such as the fit, the length, the fabric of the dress, and the shoes you're going to pair it with. If your dress is made of light fabrics like silk or chiffon, skip opaque tights. Their heavy texture can overwhelm the delicate fabric and throw off the balance of your look, especially when paired with metallic shoes, which don't really pair well with thick tights. Instead, go for sheer 15 denier matte tights. They blend seamlessly, add a touch of elegance, and pair beautifully with contrasting shoes. To complete the outfit, I added a metallic bag and finished with pearl necklace and matching pearl earrings for a party-ready yet elegant look. For mini dresses in dense or structured fabrics, particularly tight-fitting like this one, sheer tights can work, but they may feel too revealing. Opaque tights in the same shade as your shoes create a cohesive line, elongating your legs while balancing the outfit. Add a party bag and sparkly earrings to finish with a look that's sexy yet sophisticated, perfect for night out. For midi-length dresses, it's better to avoid opaque tights. The combination of a heavier fabric and a mid-cuff hemline can weigh the look down. Sheer tights are your go-to here, adding lightness and making your legs appear longer. Pair with delicate heels and understated accessories for a polished and feminine finish. The key takeaway: match your tights to your dress's weight, fabric, and silhouette, and consider your shoes and accessories to create a balanced, stylish, and cohesive outfit. And a gentle reminder, if you enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to hit the button and subscribe. You can enjoy a new video every week and help my channel grow. And also please follow me on Instagram at Diana_Goss to get even more styling tips, outfit ideas, inspiration, and motivation daily. Party outfits should not always be about sequins, feathers, crystals, and other embellishments. Sometimes the statement can come from color. Take a bold coral red dress. It's stunning on its own, but pairing it with glittery shoes and accessories creates a clash where nothing truly shines. Instead, keep it sleek and simple. Pair the dress with black pumps featuring red and white straps and a coral leather bag for a look that's effortlessly chic. Bold color is already a statement. It doesn't need extra texture or excessive accessories to stand out. Probably just a few elegant jewelry pieces like this zirconia set from Maje are enough. The rose gold complements coral red beautifully, while subtle sparkle of the stones adds a beautiful refined festive touch. So what do you think? Another common mistake, not just for party outfits but casual ones too, is sticking to the same style head to toe. Think pussy bow blouse, satin slip skirt and classic slingbacks. The problem? It's not only boring but actually also aging, as it can feel dated and overly formal. Quoting the same style head to toe is rarely a good idea. Instead, mix it up. Pair your slip skirt with something unexpected, like leather pants for example, and keep the shoes and bags subtle to balance the look. And yes, I know I've said not to pair red and black in one outfit, but for a party look, I think it's okay to go a little dramatic. To finish, I added my favorite zirconia set, and with the shoes, bag and accessories all working together, it's bold but never too much. Just perfect for a party. And if drama isn't your thing and you gravitate towards a more elegant old money style, keep the skirt and pair it with a waistcoat, an effortless winning formula for any party. Add a touch of sparkle with metallic shoes and bag to break up black and white combo, and finish with the perfect jewelry. For this look, I layered 2 necklaces, zirconia and pearl, and added zirconia earrings. The result? A timeless, classy old money vibe. So what's your pick? Drama or old money? Let me know in the comments below. Voila, that's it for today. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video and got inspired for the coming holidays. Please let me know in the comments which outfit was your favorite. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next week. Bye!